I'm Sarah Nolan. I am so excited to guide you through this energy balancing meditation. So as we begin, I invite you to find a comfortable place to sit or lay down. Get comfortable. You can close your eyes and take a couple of deep cleansing breaths all the way in and all the way out. Allowing your stomach to expand with every inhale and your lungs to compress with every exhale. Feel that beautiful rhythm of inhaling completely and exhaling completely. Feeling all of the sensations of your breath entering and exiting your body. Allowing your body to become more and more relaxed with every breath. Feeling your breath relaxing your head. Feeling your breath relaxing your neck and your shoulders. Feeling your breath relaxing your chest and your stomach. Feel your breath relaxing your hips and your legs. Feel your breath relaxing your arms, your hands, and your feet. Allow yourself to become more and more relaxed with every breath. And notice that light shining down over the top of your head, wrapping around you, shining over your face and your shoulders. Shining down through your body, through your head, your throat, your chest, your stomach, your pelvis, your legs, your feet. Grounding down into the earth, pulling you further down to the earth. Wrapping around the core of the earth and allowing the love of the earth to rise up into your feet, your legs, your stomach, and your chest, wrapping around your heart. Creating this beautiful divine connection between you and the safety, security, love, nourishment of the earth. Feel that connection, feel that love. And notice in front of you a ball of light. Notice the color of the light, the size, and where it's located in front of you. What part of your body does it naturally gravitate towards? Feel that light coming closer and closer towards you. And direct the light towards your pubic bone, filling your whole pelvis and your sacrum with this light. And notice the sensations that come from filling your body with this light. And with each breath, feel that light growing brighter and bigger. And as you inhale, that ball of light inside of you grows into a column. And it rises up to your stomach, filling your stomach with that light. As you exhale, the ball of light extends down to your feet. As you inhale, that light column rises up to your chest, filling your chest with light, becoming brighter and taller with every breath. Feel the energy inside of you growing and expanding. This energy is love. Notice how happy your cells are, your organs are to receive this love. As you exhale, that column of light extends down further into the earth. And as you inhale, the column of light rises up into your throat, filling your shoulders and your throat, energizing and awakening your voice, energizing and awakening your heart. This light energizes and awakens your creative center in your stomach. As you exhale, the light extends down even deeper into the earth. And as you inhale, the light rises up into your head, filling your head with the light as it energizes and awakens your mind, showing you more and more of what's possible. Releasing any fears or doubts that have risen to the surface. And you might even see those fears and doubts floating off, dissolving into the light. Feel this clarity taking over your mind, over your vision, as you realize more and more who you really are. As you exhale, that column of light extends even further down to the earth. And as you inhale, it rises up and out of your head, extending out of your body, wrapping back around you, creating this beautiful orb of light around you. And with each inhale, this light grows bigger and brighter inside of you, and with each exhale, it extends even further outside of you. Feel that rhythm of your breath and the light, extending up and out of you, extending, rising up within you and extending out of you, rising up within you and extending out of you. Feel every part of your body vibrating with this light. Your face, your eyes, your mouth, your ears are all filled with light. Your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, your arms, and your hands are all vibrating with this light, this love. Your chest, your spine, from the very top to the very root. Your stomach, your hips, your legs, your arms, and your hands and feet are all filled with this light, vibrating with the love, vibrating with love. Feel that love extending out to the surface that you are sitting or laying on. Feel it extending out into the room or into the space that you are now. Feel it extending out of that space, out into the trees, the wildlife, the earth, the grass, the rocks. Feel this energy, this love extending out even further up into the sky. Notice how it interacts with the other people. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes.